Okay, so I can make some breakfast, sausage, egg, sausage and egg. I paid my last big payment, and this month a little bit low, but I'm on track. Got like $100 left in payments, and that's it. I take that little white part, I attach to the egg if I see it. Shell. Looks good. Salt. 1, 2. I'm going to warm up my sausage. I can't do two things at once, so I have to do one thing at a time. They're cooking, they're more lunch than breakfast, I think, but I don't know. Breakfast, probably just eat cereal maybe, but it's not enough. I still got the egg. Getting there. Simple breakfast, I guess. Okay, I got my sausage, bacon, a cooker, quick on, cooks about a minute. See if it'll pop. Oh, 1 egg. My favorite way to cook egg is sunny side up, but I don't have any oil. Plus I'm still on a budget this month. Next month I'll get back at least half my pay, so I'll be good. Nice to have some extra cottage cheese or something, but a bit tight this month, so do with what I can. Okay, so you do need some gloves to take it out. Steam. I don't know, do you consider this breakfast? I consider it lunch. That's why I wouldn't go to a burger place for breakfast. It's hot to live. Cottage cheese would be nice. That's the breakfast I have, which was getting pretty close to lunch, but jam would be nice for breakfast, or maybe cereal, honey with toast. That's what I consider to be breakfast, but eggs maybe. Not, I think eggs are more lunch, I think, but I don't know why they call it breakfast. Eggs and bacon for breakfast, but anyway, thanks for watching. Plus this little egg gadget I still have, so I might do another review of it, so I still use it. if you don't have any oil, it's a really good option. Thanks for watching. Zrobiłem boczek, jajko i trochę ser na śniadanie, ale to więcej jak na lunch, nie na śniadanie, ale może być. Czasami inny ser dać, ale nie mam taki ser teraz, to takie śniadanie jest.